Thank you, John, for doing that.
You're welcome. Now that I'm eating.
Yeah. Kenny Kipp? What?
Is that thing on? Is this thing on? Always acceptable. Can't go wrong with it. Now, give me your culinary advice.
Cliff, couldn't help but notice kind of yawning there the last.
Oh, God.
Every time I would yawn.
Oh.
You'd yawn, you'd yawn, I'd
I just
yawn.
kept yawning and yawning and yawning.
No, the last half
like
hour
Yanni.
was Yanni. That was rough.
We're going away.
Jim?
Somebody else is cooking this.
Lovely vocals tonight. Where's that? God. Oh my God. I could have been impaled. Well, boyfriend. All right. Huh? Oh, sorry. Did you want to say something?
No, I don't.
Okay, good.
The old-fashioned drink while you're waiting. A little bit of red wine.
How'd it go tonight, Sam?
It went okay, I guess. How about you? Well, okay.
All right. Goodbye, cozy.
We did okay tonight.
We did okay, but it's goodbye.
Yeah.
It's goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
John's rolling some cases. John works hard. Look at him. Any comments?
Any comments?
Comments, suggestions?
Let's go to Walmart.
Yeah.
It's time. $100. He said he's paying everybody $100 to go to Walmart.
I know. What a deal.
Isn't that what he said?
Yeah.
We got it on tape.
Yeah. I think so. Well, thank you for sitting here all night.
We were here earlier, so you know we remember that. We were at Sam's Club today, so
Were you?
we paid part of his stuff and gave it to
Yeah.
Walmart.
It's the same thing.
affiliate,
Sam's
you know?
Club, Walmart. Well, thank you for coming out and staying the whole night. That was very nice.
Hey, we wouldn't miss these guys for the night. You can't leave the last set. It's good.
You know, this is the last time we're playing here.
Really? Here?
Yeah, not gonna have bands anymore.
Say what?
They're not gonna have bands anymore.
Really?
That's the rumor.
Oh, wow.
That's the rumor. The shock. Let me see the shock.
Yeah.